Good morning, students. Welcome to English language class. Please take out your book and open page number 69. Chapter 9 Conjunctions. Read these sentences. I like watching movies and reading books. Arbaj plays football but Arnav plays cricket. In the first example, the sentence I like watching movies and the birds reading books are joined together by the verb and. In the second sentences, the sentences Arvaj plays football and Arnav plays cricket are joined together by the word but. Words such as and but are called conjunctions. Conjunctions are used to join together sentences, words, and groups of words. Some more examples of conjunctions are or, so, because, if, since, unless, when, until, at, and although. Examples: we can play either basketball or badminton in the games period. Omar was unwell, so he did not go for the picnic. Dear students, a conjunction is a part of a speech that connects two words, sentences, phrases, or clauses. Conjunctions help add variety to your writing because they can be used to create sentences with different styles and meaning. As a part of speech, conjunctions are important in conveying the whole thought of the spoken or writing language. The importance of conjunctions lies in the fact that they make any sentence sensible and comprehensible. In short, conjunctions are linking words. We use them in writing because they make our sentences more interesting and allow us to skillfully provide a greater amount of information in the same sentence. They also improve the diversity of our sentences and paragraph, making the overall text more pleasant to read. Conjunctions is a word that connects or joins clauses, words, phrases together in a sentences. Conjunctions are used to coordinate words in a sentence. Because of conjunctions, we are able to connect several words and even broader concepts and ideas together, allowing us to build complex sentences that can convey interesting and compelling messages. Dear students, conjunctions are one of the most powerful parts of sentences that help us to maintain a strong flow of communications. A good knowledge and understanding of various conjunctions enable us to maintain both ways of communications, verbal and written, conveniently. In addition, the ability of using conjunctions appropriately will help us greatly to speak in a confident manner. Dear students, today I have given you the introductions of conjunctions. In the next video, we will do exercise of this chapter. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.